सो हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। यहाँ आप सभी के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ है अनअकैडमी की ऐप पर। आप सभी को लेगेसी प्रैक्टिस बैच विद PYQS IIT जैम के लिए 2022 का बैच है। फिजिक्स, मैथमेटिक्स, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, केमिस्ट्री की टीचर, ठीक है। फॉर 10% डिस्काउंट यूज़ कोड दिया हुआ है मेरा। आप सभी इसको यूज़ करेंगे तो आपको 10% का डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा। सो आप लोग ज़रूर ज्वाइन कीजिए। और आपको जो बैच है स्टार्ट होने वाला है 22 दिसंबर से। यहाँ पर देखिए लिमिटेड ऑफर है। गेट एडिशनल मंथ ऑन परचेज ऑफ अनअकैडमी IIT जैम सब्सक्रिप्शन 12+2 24+4। आई होप आप सभी समझ गए हैं और मेरा कोड आप लोग यूज करेंगे तो आपको 10% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। सो आज
Hello
क्लास स्टार्ट
everyone,
करते हैं।
welcome back to my class and today my topic is first law of thermodynamics. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we share introduction of thermodynamics. Okay, the first law of thermodynamics stated that heat is a form of energy and thermodynamic process are therefore subjected to the principle of conversion of energy. यानी कि जो आपका first law है, it is stated that heat is in the form of energy. In this law, heat is in the form of energy and this principle is also known as the conversion of energy. Why it is called the conversion of energy, that we'll discuss in the next line. ठीक है, this means that heat energy cannot be created or destroyed. Okay, and it can however be transferred from one location to another location and converted to from one form, okay, converted to one form to another form of energy. For example, this first law is say that heat or energy, okay, heat cannot be created or not destroyed. ठीक है, so you can't, for example, you never create the energy or you never destroy the energy. You just change the way of energy from one state to another state, या from one location to another location. Okay, so this is the first law of thermodynamic. Now move into the next point, which is explaining the first law of thermodynamic. The first law of thermodynamic related to heat, internal energy and work. For example, in this we just know about heat, internal energy and work. Okay, then main point is the first law of thermodynamic is also known as the law of conversion of energy. So in exam maybe you will discuss the law of conversion of energy, so you need to know that this is the first law of thermodynamic. Okay, and then it is stated that energy neither be created nor destroyed, but it can change from one form to another. Same. Then according to this law, some heat given to the system is used to change the internal energy while the rest is used to doing a work. When we give energy to any system, okay, we will change internal energy plus the rest of energy is used to doing work. For example, we human beings just eat a food to do work, okay, and the food we eat, yeah, the quality of food we eat is change our internal, है ना, that is affect our body. Same, that affect in a good way or bad way our body, plus we are doing work after taking the meal. Okay, so it is the example of thermodynamic. It is the basic example. Okay, so that just you can understand what I want to say. So I am sharing a best topic and important point कि आप अपनी language में वो समझ पाओ. Okay, then follow the rules of thermodynamic first law. So it can be represented as delta Q is equal to delta U plus W, where delta Q is heat given, delta U change in the internal energy and W is the work done. So we also represent from this rule, you can know na, delta U is equal to delta Q minus W. Also we can tell this, okay, delta Q minus delta V. So it is also from the one equation. So this is the main rule for thermodynamics. Now I will discuss numerical type question from the law of thermodynamics. ठीक है, यानी कि first law of thermodynamics. So firstly we will read the question. Calculate the change in the internal energy of the system if 3000 joule of heat is added to system and work is 25 joule done. ठीक है, so इसके लिए अब हमें solution करना है. So from the solution, from the equation we know Q is positive because heat is added to system. Okay, second, W is positive because work is done on the system. So from the equation we can say the change in internal energy is given as delta U is equal to delta Q minus W. Q is the heat, which is given to the system, and W is the work. So delta V is equal to 3000 minus 2500 हम कर देंगे, and we will got our answer which is 500. Okay, so this is the main topic of first law of thermodynamic.